I'm going to do a quick example of how to draw the elephant from the drawing guide posted in the assignment. So I'm going to start with a white piece of paper, and I'm going to use a black marker. If you'd rather use something else, that's fine with me. So it says to start your elephant by drawing the eye. So I'm going to put it about here. Then draw the tusk below the eye. So the tusk is that kind of horn. Oops. There we go. From there, we're going to place a marker behind the eye and draw a curved line up and over the eye. So we're basically going from the middle of the tusk up, over the eye, and a little bit back. Now, we're going to make the trunk. So we're going to come meet where you went before. Come out, curve down. Do the end of the tusk. There we go. Now we have you can go up and connect that to your tusk actually. I'm going to stop there. Now we're going to do the ear. So from the back of the head, I'm going to add in the line for the bottom of the head. Now we're ready to start on the body. We're going to go out. You want to draw pretty big here. Curve down. And we're going to move right into our foot. Now we're going to go across up to the front of the body. Do the front leg. We're going to connect that up to the front of the head. Now, to make it look like our elephant is walking, we're going to add the other legs. And this one's going to come back at a diagonal. And then the other one is going to do the same. So it's behind the body because this is the front. Those are the legs that are on the other side of the body. Now we're going to add the tail. Another curve for our ear that's on the other side of the head. Then you can add some toes. And from here, you're ready to add some of the details that we saw from the elephants from the Jaipur Elephant Festival. So you can add a blanket on the back, you can add details on the face, use all the different lines and shapes that we talked about at the beginning of the lesson to decorate your elephant. Be creative and don't copy any of the examples. Have fun!